Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today we're gonna make a pretty simple DIY body wash, creamy body wash. So what we're gonna need few ingredients. The first ingredient I have here, everything I have weighted out as usual, just not to waste more of your time. And the whole formula and recipe as usual you will find in the description box below. So I have in here distilled water, yes. Then I have in here a liquid surfactant, as this is a body wash, you know, to clean a dirt from your skin. So we need a surfactant. This is a liquid surfactant, it's Coco Betaine liquid surfactant. Then I have in here my own made rose petal Glycerite, which smells lovely. And if you want to know how to make your own Glycerite, you can check my video which I made like a few months ago. And another ingredient we have in here to make this body wash creamy, I have in here Olivem 1000. Olivem 1000, it's gonna make all of this, it's gonna make it is emulsifying wax. So what it will do is just gonna mix the waters and oils all together, and it's gonna give us this white creamy lather. And as well I have in here weighted out a little bit of the glycerine, Xanthan Gum, which we're gonna mix together in a moment. And as well you're gonna need, I chose to use essential oils, sweet orange essential oil and lavender essential oil, so it's gonna be a mix of two of them. And of course you're gonna need a preservative. I will use the Preservative Eco. You will need a little pH meter or a little pH strips, where I have it here, and as well a thermometer to check that, make sure that you're adding your sensitive ingredients like essential oils into your mixture when the temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius. And of course we will probably gonna need citric acid. Citric acid is to lower down the pH levels, and I have in here a container for my body wash. So I'm gonna make a 250 grams of it, so it's will be a large quantity. So if you want to adjust quantities, you can I will write it in the description box below how actually to do that. So okay, no further ado, let's go and make this. Well, so first thing what I will do, I'm gonna add my xanthan gum and glycerin into this large beaker. So I have in here xanthan gum, it's 1.25 grams of xanthan gum. And I'm gonna add a glycerin. So we're gonna put the xanthan gum and glycerin together and mix it truly. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just leave it aside for it kind of to bond together better. I'm gonna leave aside for a minimum of 30 minutes or so, because I noticed that it's easier to work with it, you know, when it's had stayed together for some period of time. So just gonna trying to bond them together, mix it and leave it aside. Well, I mixed it and I'm just gonna leave it aside, as I said, for a minimum 20-30 minutes for glycerin and xanthan gum kind of just to bond together. So while this is happening, what I will do then, I'm just gonna add Olivem 1000 into my distilled water, and I'm just gonna put in a double boiler, making sure that everything is melted, the Olivem 1000, that it is melted. Yeah. Well, welcome back. So the Olivem 1000 has melted in the distilled water. It's still pretty hot, as you see, and it's like white, looks like literally like milk. Okay, and it's kind of smells like milk. Okay, so what I will do then, I'm gonna gonna cool it, let it to cool it off a bit, mix it all together. While this is happening, I'm just gonna add my surfactant, Coco Betaine, and just gonna mix it slowly. Okay. As well, to this, I'm gonna add my rose petal Glycerite. Which gives kind of light this pinkish color. If you're able to see, I'm not sure, maybe not really. Okay. And now I just gonna add this mixture into my Xanthan Gum and Glycerine mixture while I'm mixing all together. I'm adding a little bit and just trying to incorporate everything while I'm mixing it, and more and more and more. It's still pretty hot, I think, so we're just gonna check the temperature. Yes, so thermometer shows like 56, 55 degrees Celsius, which is way too hot to put our essential oils. If you want to speed up this process, so you can put all your mixture into like cold water bath, you know, that's how it's gonna speed up. In the meantime, I'm just gonna mix it. Okay, so let's check again what we have here. Yeah, we can add now essential oils. It shows 41. It's fine. So we just put the whole mixture onto our scales, and I have in here 2.5 grams of lavender essential oil and 2.5 grams of sweet orange essential oil. Okay. And now mixing all together again. Very, very well. This smells really nice. I love the lavender and orange mixture. Okay, so let's check now pH levels. pH, I'm using a Preservative Eco, and we need to use a preservative because it's this product has a water in it. So Preservative Eco I'm using, therefore my pH has to be between 4.5 and 5.5. So let's check. As you see, there is like a green color, and from this little color chart, as you see, the green is number 7, so I need to have like an orange. So to reduce the pH levels, we need some citric acid. Citric acid, literally we're gonna get like a few pinches, and now just gonna mix it all together very well. Let us check again. Is it okay? And as you see now here, it's like a little orange color. Probably you can see it. Yes, you can. So that's a good pH for this. When we have the pH level in range, what we need to do then, we need to add our preservative. Of the whole formula, I'm adding 1% of Preservative Eco, which is 2.5 grams. And just mixing very well our Preservative Eco. And just to be sure, we're just gonna check pH one more time. Yeah, and it's perfect. It's in like light orange color, so it's in perfect pH range. So the whole mixture, the whole product is still kind of a bit warm. So before I gonna put it in my bottle, I just gonna put it aside and wait it till everything is gonna cool off. Because we're using Olivem 1000, and Olivem 1000 tends to change the form within like 24 hours or so. So I'm just gonna leave this mixture before I will bottle it, at least like for a couple good few hours or so. So before bottling. So yeah, smells lovely. It has, you probably don't see it very well, but it does has this light kind of pinkish color, which it got from rose petal glycerite. And yeah, I see you in a couple hours when I will put all the DIY body wash, creamy body wash, into the bottle. Hello, welcome back. So it's been a couple hours and this is literally cold now. So let's put it into my container for body wash. Okay. I love the smell, as I said to you before. Lavender and orange essential oils. You can use a different essential oils. Choose a favorite, and yeah, try to make it yourself, this creamy DIY body wash. Let me know what you think. How did you get on? It's lovely consistency. Glycerine and xanthan gum, of course, it gives a little bit like a gel consistency, not much. And of course, Olivem 1000. It's emulsifying wax, and it works very well here. Yes, so and this is your DIY body cream. So it's full bottle. And it's literally this lovely creamy consistency and smells lovely. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I see you next week. Bye.